So I did some cleaning here. I didn't finish the entire car because obviously that's gonna take a long time. This thing was disgusting. Well, what is up, people? This is Bakuma Matata, and we are back in the G. Finally, this is like my weekend car, and I can't wait to get on this thing every weekend. So finally, we are in here. But today we're gonna take care of something that I should have done day one, which I usually do, but I didn't have the time. We're gonna decontaminate the interior for this car because I feel, every time that I get on this car, I'm excited to get to it, but as soon as I get in, I'm reminded that I haven't cleaned this car, and I feel, to be honestly, dirty. Because here you can see, it looks okay. It's not that dirty, but like once you look, see this, all that dirt around the thing, like, what the fuck is that? Sorry. And this, it's like, it makes me want to puke, to be honest. And I usually, like whenever I buy my cars, I clean them up day one. But this one just slipped out of my hands, and because it had more serious problems, I'd rather take care of that. So I did some cleaning here. I didn't finish the entire car because obviously that's gonna take a long time. This thing was disgusting. I'm gonna put some pictures as I go right now. As you can see, this thing was dirty, and that's just like the tips and some corners that I couldn't get. So imagine how everything is in between. But let's get to how it looks. Okay, we have a clown on there. I clean all of this. I don't know if you guys can see it right. I clean like that door. I clean the steering wheel. I cleaned the dashboard. I cleaned here. I cleaned that thing right here. Remember that thing? That was full of, I don't know what. Cleaned inside here. That was full of crap too. He cleaned here and all of this. Let me just turn on the lights so you guys can see. See? Thank you. About the carpet. So, this is how it looks now. Nice and clean. No. A little bit way smoother, and this one has a little bit of hesitation, but I can't get in there. I did it as much as I could. You see, this was really dirty there, but I got it cleaned. This thing was dirty inside there, and we got it cleaned. The radio was super dirty inside there, was super dirty. I got it cleaned. I cleaned the steering wheel. You can't get rid of these imperfections, but now it's clean and smooth, desanitized, and we cleaned the vents a little bit, that side a little bit, and we cleaned the door handles and stuff like that. It doesn't have like the shine because I didn't want to have the shine now. I just wanted to get it. I just want to get it sanitized. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. So yeah, that is it for today. I cleaned up the car a little bit. It looks even better, And now I could come inside here and at least like touch this and the handles and not worry about things, Now I don't feel like it's a pigsty inside here. Oh, that feels good. Okay, let's go. See you next time.